Hi guys, so I am at Motoplex, coming over here to, I don't know why Gerard asked me to come over here, so I'm just gonna, wait, where's the entrance? I'm at the wrong entrance, oh my gosh, so silly. Yo, so complicated lah. Okay. Yay. Helmet. What is this for? Okay.
A few moments later.
So thanks to Gerald, I got to learn about the first Moto Trainer in Malaysia at Motoplex. Here we have Mr. Idon, who's demonstrating how to ride a 2020 Aprilia RSV4 Factory virtually in Sepang International Circuit. Of course, it's not limited to Sepang circuit only. You can choose to ride at any racing circuits in the world on a Moto Trainer.
Flip your bike over to turn 6. As you can see, what I'm trying to see is I'm trying to coordinate between the indicator and also the racing screen. Tap a brake here, lean down to turn 7, hold yourself down to turn 7, bring yourself up to turn 8, all the way down to turn 9. Once you see the board on top, hard braking on the board, trail your brake down to turn 9. Flip your bike over to turn 10, hold a slight position. Once you reach turn 11, go down all the way down to 11, move up, all the way down to turn 12. Slight turn to turn 12. Once you're ready, keep yourself to turn 30, and go very, very low. Once you jump up, all the way to the back straight. This is where you relax a little bit, because you're very running out of breath already. Once you see 200 braking marker, hard braking, turn 15, you want to dive a little bit late. Dive down to 15. Once you see the pitfall, accelerate yourself all the way to the finishing line. Okay, that is one lap of the Sepang circuit. Okay, so as you can see, it's physically also quite very demanding. Okay, so that is why they call it a Moto Trainer. They give you one of the hardest situations for you to train, so when you are actually in the racetrack, you will be ready for it, okay? So Moto Trainer became very, very famous during the pandemic season because during that time, MotoGP riders couldn't go to the circuits of their choice to train. Okay, so Moto Trainer teamed up with MotoGP, the franchise MotoGP, okay, to supply all their riders one set of the Moto Trainer for them to train all year round. Okay?
And now it's my turn to try it out.
Don't worry, we all are not pro riders. Alright, okay. So Sepang International Okay, as you would, right up with full up position on this one. Okay. At the time, move yourself a little bit to the back, so you are not fully pushed into the tank. So release a little bit of space. Okay. So once you go for the handle, kick your arm a little bit. So what we're going to do is we're going to try slight maneuvers to the left, maneuvers to the right, so you can just feel how is it to basically turn the car. Okay? Alright, so relax the arms just by holding your legs to the tank. Okay? I want you to take a lean down to the right. Okay? Don't worry. Okay, just connected, huh? Connected, alright? So once you want to come up, just slightly accelerate. Go ahead, accelerate. More. Okay, so once you accelerate, basically like the real bike, what's going to happen is you're going to push you down. Okay, so right now this side as well. Okay, take a lead. Okay, so accelerate. Good. This side, get. Accelerate. Very good. Okay, Hafiz, let's go. 3, 2, 1, give me full throttle on the front straight, please. All the way, full throttle. Okay, hard braking coming up. Hard braking. Hold the hard brake, hold the hard brakes. Okay, release throttle, release brakes. Release throttle, release throttle. Okay. Okay. Then turn. Right. Okay. Accelerate up. Okay, slide in. Okay, hold the bike in there. Okay, relax your arms. Okay. Okay, all the way down to turn 4. Hard acceleration. Okay, hard brakes. Release brake, release throttle. Dive down to turn 4. Okay, accelerate up. Okay, turn 5. Slide in. Okay, ready to convert to 6. Okay, power off. 6. Too early, a little too early. Okay. Alright, accelerate all the way down to turn 7 and 8. Hold your position. Hard braking. Release the brake, release the throttle. Turn down to turn 7, 8. Power out. Good. Alright. Once you see the board, hard brake, trail brake, release the brake. Okay, jump down to turn 9. Okay.
I'm totally a newbie when it comes to track riding, but I was really glad that I'm thick-skinned enough to try this out. Mr. Idon is a really amazing coach who's skillful enough and also patient enough to teach me everything from scratch. Just like riding in track, you gotta brake at the right time and release the brake and throttle, lean in through the corners, and then throttle again to come back up on a Moto Trainer. It allows riders to practice the timing of riding in track with minimal risk of injuring himself or herself. And that is exactly what I needed now, as I am a rider who is still recovering from a post-accident injury. As I am not a pro track rider, I can only tell you guys the difference of the Moto Trainer and riding in real track from my limited track experience here. So bear in mind that it would be a different point of view from other pro riders. For me, because I knew that it is a virtual trainer, I'm more daring to throttle and lean with all the guides provided by Mr. Idon and the stimulator. Both experiences are able to give me the adrenaline rush. With a Moto Trainer, you're actually getting to see how much you score riding it as compared to a pro MotoGP rider. That's so cool, right? I couldn't thank Motoplex enough for providing me with this opportunity to try out their Moto Trainer. I think you guys should really try it out too. As Aprilia is currently having an event in the Center Court of Suria KLCC, the Moto Trainer is actually there for you guys to try out on a limited time only. So if you guys are interested to check it out, be sure to go to KLCC by the end of Sunday. So thank you so much for staying until the end. Remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!